Okay, guys, today I'm actually gonna do something. So, I bought a book at my school book fair. I don't know if you've seen it. I bought a book at my school book fair, and I'm gonna test some experimental, but some I might not do. Most I might not do. This one I'm just gonna show you how it works. I'm sure you guys can see it. Okay, so this is how it works. First, you put Coke, a Mentos, some Mentos in here, but I use some sort of thing in there. So then you put in this thing, which has a rope tied to it. So then you go far away, you drop some Mentos in there. Or, actually, guys, did you know that you can also use salt to activate something instead of baking soda? Or, instead of Mentos? Okay, guys, oh my god. Guys, I actually wet you. So, I hope I don't get in trouble at school.
Menu open. Press up or down arrow to navigate. Enter to...
Okay, I'm gonna clean you guys. Clean this, of course. Okay, guys, I almost got in trouble at school. So, it looks like I washed it. Okay, so that was the first experiment. So, I'm gonna bring out the second experiment. So, see you guys right now in like about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'm back. I brought the Cano Pops with the cap. Okay, I brought some vinegar. So I'll just get some. Oh, my cousin's here.
Hey.
Can you hold this?
Are my hands gonna stink?
No.
You better not spoil this off me.
No, no.
Here's a vinegar ilk.
It smells like apple cider after.
I'm eating a paleta.
What?
I'm eating a paleta, look.
So I already put the baking soda? No, guys, you better watch this.
Right here. Can I try?
Okay, guys, we got it ready. Okay, guys, that was the explosion.
It's so cool.
I'll actually put a link in the description how to get these things. So last but not
He
least,
will put a link in the description.
yeah, there's too much noise. I will put a link in the description, and And sorry for the loud noise. So here's Super Pop Balloon, the last experiment. Actually, here's a bonus one.
Really loud. Okay. Link is in the bio.
I don't get how this is an experiment, but it says this in the book. So in the book. So I'm sorry guys for wetting you guys.
Wait, you wet them? Sorry, you guys.
Do you think it's gonna pop? Okay.
The practically gonna take the whole day doing that.
Okay, guys. So here's the last
Angel, you ready?
experiment. Oh, we're not popping you with that one.
I know.
So guys, you tell me guys why you never mind.
Hey.
But okay guys, we gotta kill this thing. No, not that.
Yeah, please.
We're gonna try different
Oh, I
methods.
want to try.
Okay, throw this first.
Okay.
That's a strong balloon.
That didn't work. Okay. You guys ready? Go.
Okay, don't hit it anymore. You almost hit my head.
Sorry.
Okay. Now I'm gonna try this one more time. Wow, that worked.
Yay!
So this does not really conclude the end of our video. So I'm actually gonna make a geocache for my friend, for my cousin and sister with this thing,
Stop right there.
and I probably will not leave it in a geocache, but if I want to get rid of this thing, I'll leave it in the geocache. Oh, right. In my other channel called Chris the Geocacher. Huh? Uno, dos. Huh? Okay. So bye. See you guys next time. Subscribe with the notification bell down low. And thanks for watching.